So in this module we will understand what is an yield in IC fabrication. So when the silicon integrated circuit is fabricated on the wafer, we will see what is an yield. So as you can see in this picture, you have got this wafer with, let's say, a diameter of about 200 millimeter. So remember, the wafers can have different sizes. Nowadays is the standard size of 200 millimeter or 300 millimeter. In other words, it's an 8-inch wafer or 12-inch wafer. Now there are hundreds of individual silicon chips in this wafer, as indicated by the square boxes, small square boxes in yellow and in the gray shade. Okay, and those small square boxes are silicon dies, individual chips. Now after fabrication is complete, there is a percentage of silicon dies or chips which are bad and the rest are good. So yield in IC fabrication refers to the percentage of silicon dies which are good. For example, if you see right over here, the bad ICs are 38, which are indicated by these yellow boxes. So if you count, these are 38, and good ICs are 620. The rest of the gray color silicon dies are the good ICs. Now this is totaling to total number of chips available in this complete IC wafer is 658, that is 658. So out of 658, you have got 38 bad silicon dies and good silicon dies are 620. Therefore we would say the yield after this silicon IC fabrication is 94.2%. It means out of 100 silicon dies, 94 chips or dies are good, rest are bad. That is 5.8% are bad. If you look at the picture in the second category, again, let us say the diameter of this silicon wafer is 12-inch or 300 millimeter, and then you see that the yellow boxes represents the number of bad silicon dies and the gray one represents the number of good silicon dies. So here out of total 136, bad ICs are 33 and good ICs are 103. So the percentage yield you can calculate, that comes out to be 75.7%. okay, so if you just have a look at the final picture, that is right over here, again in this you have the yellow boxes that shows the number of bad ICs are 18 and the gray one as I tick mark here are 10. So total 28 chips are fabricated, and because you see that the yellow and gray boxes, they have a larger dimension, that is the width and the length of the individual silicon ICs are larger. So therefore total number of ICs that were fabricated in this silicon wafer are 28, and out of them 18 are bad and good ICs are 10. So you see that the yield here is less than 50%, and that means only 35.7%, in to be precise, ICs are good, and that's the yield of your silicon IC fabrication. So this is not only applicable to the silicon ICs, but there is other process technologies such as BiCMOS process or silicon carbide, silicon germanium, CMOS, etc. So that is the overall concept of yield. As a manufacturer, to have a better profitability and to reduce the cost of an individual silicon die to be very less, yield has to be very high. So usually yield of about 94%, as you can see right here, you can say that this is a good production example. 75% is also acceptable in some cases. So that is the overall concept of yield. Hope you found this module useful about understanding the concept of yield in IC fabrication. If you have any questions or doubts, you can always comment in the comment section and share this module with others for a wider range. Till then, wish you a very happy learning.